What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Top 5 Tray. Today we're talking about a gaming keyboard that's clearly built for people who want speed, precision, and pro-level control. Not just RGB lighting and good looks, but features that can actually make a difference in competitive gameplay. If you've been looking for a compact Hall effect keyboard that feels fast, responsive, and tournament ready, this one definitely deserves your attention. This is the ASUS ROG Falchion Ace HFX. And right away, this is not your average compact gaming keyboard. This is a 65% TKL Hall effect keyboard built around magnetic switch technology, ultra-fast input response, and gaming-focused features that push it into serious enthusiast territory. Quick reminder before we get into it, the product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helps you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more straight-up tech reviews, and let's break down what makes the ROG Falchion Ace HFX such a serious option. Let's start with the layout. This keyboard features a 65% compact TKL style design, which means it saves a significant amount of desk space while still keeping essential keys accessible. You get more room for mouse movement, which is a huge plus for competitive FPS players and anyone running a clean, minimalist setup. Now let's talk about the core technology here. Hall effect magnetic switches. This keyboard uses magnetic switch technology, which means it operates on a completely different level compared to standard mechanical switches. Instead of relying on physical contact, magnetic sensing allows faster, smoother, and more precise key actuation. That translates directly into quicker response times and better long-term durability. For competitive players, one of the biggest features here is rapid trigger. Rapid trigger allows the key to reset the moment you begin lifting your finger instead of waiting for the switch to fully return. This means repeated inputs happen faster, movement feels more responsive, and your key presses feel incredibly sharp during fast-paced games. Whether you're counter-strafing, peeking corners, or making fast directional movements, this feature gives you a real edge. Another major gaming-focused feature is Speed Tap. Speed Tap is all about faster and cleaner input registration, helping every key press feel immediate and deliberate. For fast reaction-based gameplay, this can make your movement and timing feel significantly tighter. Now let's talk about latency. The ROG Falchion Ace HFX supports an 8,000 Hz polling rate, which is an enormous performance advantage for a wired gaming keyboard. That means the keyboard communicates with your system 8,000 times per second, reducing latency to an incredibly low level. In simple terms, your key presses register almost instantly. For serious gaming, that kind of speed absolutely matters. This keyboard is also equipped with dual USB-C connectivity, which is a premium and highly practical feature. Dual USB-C support improves flexibility for different setups and makes cable management cleaner and more convenient. It's especially useful for users who frequently switch devices or desk configurations. Another standout feature is the integrated touch panel. This gives you quick access to certain controls directly on the keyboard, adding convenience and functionality without cluttering your desk with extra accessories. It's one of those features that adds a modern premium feel to the overall experience. The keyboard also includes RGB backlighting support, giving you full visual customization. Whether you want subtle desk lighting, vibrant gaming aesthetics, or a clean static color setup, the RGB support helps match your keyboard to the rest of your setup. Durability is another strong point here. The keyboard comes with PBT keycaps, which are known for long-term durability and resistance to shine. Compared to standard ABS caps, PBT feels more premium and holds up much better over time. Even after long gaming sessions, the texture and legends stay crisp. The design is also portable, making it a great choice for users who travel, attend LAN setups, or simply want a keyboard that's easy to move between work and gaming spaces. Despite the compact size, it still feels solid and performance-focused. Compatibility is broad as well. The ROG Falchion Ace HFX works with laptops, PCs, and tablets, giving you flexibility across different devices. Because this is a wired keyboard, you also get stable and consistent performance with zero wireless interference. That's exactly what competitive players want. Design-wise, the black finish keeps everything sleek, clean, and professional. It looks aggressive enough for gaming setups while still maintaining a minimal premium aesthetic. When you put everything together, Hall effect magnetic switches, rapid trigger, speed tap, 8,000 Hz polling rate, dual USB-C connectivity, touch panel, RGB lighting, durable PBT keycaps, and compact 65% layout, the ASUS ROG Falchion Ace HFX stands out as a serious high-performance gaming keyboard. This isn't just about looks. This isn't just about RGB. This is about speed, control, and competitive precision. Every press feels faster, every reset feels sharper, and every feature feels purpose-built for serious gamers. If you're looking for a compact Hall effect gaming keyboard that delivers ultra-fast response, premium build quality, and modern features, the ASUS ROG Falchion Ace HFX is absolutely worth checking out. The product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you use use this mainly for competitive gaming, work, or both. I'll catch you in the next one.